we are doing a sound test of this Orashare BS02 Bluetooth speaker in this video now. Hi guys, great day. This is Ryan. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification icon so you will be updated every time we upload. And today we are testing out this Orashare BS02 Bluetooth speaker. All the sounds that you're about to hear are raw and unfiltered, so you're gonna hear the noise in the background. But again, this is a sound test on what this Bluetooth speaker sounds like in a natural environment. So let's go and listen. Here we go. Alright, so that's about it. What do you think of the sound of this Bluetooth speaker? I would like you to put it in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye!